Okay.
That's the story.
That's the story. That's quite a story, Farah.
Like that?
I do. Can you tell me another story?
Once upon a time, there was a scary ghost, and then Blanky had to go in a car and find a backpack to go to school with me, and she had to face the woods at the campsite because she can camp at Fairytale Town. And then
Whoa, excuse me.
I broke.
I know. Okay, finish your story.
And then your iPhone is broken.
What?
Your iPhone is broken.
Well, that would be so sad.
And then the scary get like Blanky on her voice.
Huh?
And she can't talk.
Oh.
And she's not feeling good.
Is that the rest of the story?
Yeah. And there's a ghost behind them. Don't you mention?
Is there anything else you want to tell me?
The scary ghost, there's a scary monster that rubbed his teeth on the big dog because tech one would not.
Wow.
And then take this one.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
That's the rest of the story.
Huh?
That's the rest of the story.
Thank you.